In the last video, I said I was going to post a hiking video, which I have the hiking video almost done, but I'm breaking in because we're back at the camper, checking on the battery. I got a multimeter and I'm going to see if that will do anything. I got a couple of suggestions online when I posted that video to help me, and I have one gentleman who is an RV mobile tech that might be able to help me. So we'll see. I've got the cushions out, dog bed, dog water. Gemma is on the spot. Gemma. So we're gonna get in here and see what I can find out. Battery update. Third visit to the camper, and I'm breathing hard because that panel was really difficult to get out because it's hinged and it has that little thing on there. So that's the bottom of the bed. Ugh, I'm literally shaking. But look what I've discovered. I know a couple of guys have offered to help me on this. I'm gonna need help. Other than this, I got a battery voltmeter or whatever, but look at this. Okay, we're plugged into shore power, and this is very hot to the touch. This battery on this side, I don't know if you can see it. I put my hands on it, it's so dusty. That's distorted. Okay, and then look. Can y'all see that? And then see how much that battery is bowed out? Look at that bowing. I'm not even going to touch this. And I call Princess Craft to do the Aldi flush, but they want $700. And there's another service. The Truman people are here, not too far, and he's supposed to call me back. But look at this other one. I don't know. These are only... Let's see, I got this in 2020, and this is a 2021. So I don't know why it should be doing that. That one's kind of bowed too. Ooh, I don't know, not good. So I think I better turn the battery switch off and unplug everything, because this heat is not good. That's really hot. This other one's not that hot, but this left one's really hot. That looks chewed, but I can't tell. That almost looks like somebody put a screw. That's where the screw goes, y'all. That is exactly where another screw hits, right here. And that has been hit. Wow, that's crazy. I'm not going to do anything with this. Now I don't know who to get to fix this. Dang it. Yeah, that wire has definitely been hit with the screw. And these batteries are toast. There's corrosion and junk. That is not good. Okay, I got to figure out what I need to do. You can't really see that. Yeah, that's really bowed up right there. Eesh. Can somebody please tell me what type of batteries these are if I buy these to replace? In a 2021 Tab 400, Princess Craft quoted $400 each battery, and she said if I can find them for less, they can, replace them. Need some help. Also, I think the screw right there has been rubbing on that cable. Even though this is not under warranty, I wonder if Nucamp will cover that. Found out these are Harris batteries, but I need to get the dimensions. I can replace them with VMAX Tank. I guess that's a brand battery, 225 amp hour batteries. So I'll keep you posted. If anybody has any help or any answers, please let me know. Please comment below.